Remember this? IMF and
Britain would na? Britain would
हाँ,
ma'am na?
क्या शिवानी भूल गई आप? हाँ,
नहीं वही मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ ब्रिटेन वुड ही मुझे भी याद
The IMF and World Bank were established in 1944. They were known as Bretton Woods Prince. So, do you remember the history behind whatever happened? All nations were devastated completely after the World War II, right? And then they all met at US. US wanted to revive all the nations out of the crisis, and they met at a place called Bretton Woods in New Hampshire. And they said they will have all the nations revived, and they said that they had laid down their own terms and conditions, which we discussed last term. We are not discussing them again. So, as a result, IMF and the World Bank were born, right? So, IMF was an institution that will help all nations for short term funding, and the purpose of IMF was helping them with balance of payment crisis, exchange rate instability, and all other short term issues. Whereas the purpose of World Bank was to help them with long term crisis and poverty alleviation, all such social causes, if you remember, right? This was what we discussed last time. And also, we saw that India was a founder member of IMF. IMF also had something called as SDR, special drawing right. What is this SDR? What is special drawing right? SDR is an asset that every member nation creates. IMF में 4 तरह का करेंसी रहता है. If you as an IMF again is a quota based institution wherein they will see the potential for growth of the company. They will have the growth assess and your payment capacity assess, and they will say that this is your quota. You will have to pay 100 rupees for membership, for example. Then if you pay 100, वो 100 में 75 rupees will be in INR. बाकी 25% will be on the basis of the currency that they need. It is a basket of currencies. Like earlier it was US dollar, UK pound, and then Japanese yen and euro. Now even Chinese yen has been added. We call it as Chinese renminbi. Chinese renminbi is also added to the basket of currencies. तो IMF decides ये 25% जो है वो कौन से करेंसी में आपको देना पड़ेगा, right? For membership. And when you have a crisis, you can withdraw 125 rupees. This is called as special drawing right. समझ में आ रहा है? Now let us, whereas World Bank जो है, it is basically
मैम एक बार स्पेशल ड्राइंग राइट्स का वापस रिपीट करिए ना मैम.
create with IMF. Member countries create with IMF. ठीक है? If you want, I will share some notes on it also. तो ये special drawing rights जो है, जब आपने ये asset create किया IMF का, so what happens is special drawing rights में आपको 25% extra withdraw करने को मिलता है, which means basically what happens is when you are in crisis, you have created a reserve asset. समझ में आ रहा है? You have created a reserve asset. When I deposit 100 rupees, 125 rupees I am able to withdraw when I need, when I'm badly in need. Are you following? When there is a crisis, when I need some, say, balance of payment deficit बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, and this was created in 1969. So when it was created in 1969, after the collapse of dollar, it is an extra asset, extra deposit that IMF gives me from the reserve, global monetary reserves. मतलब हर एक country अपना quota deposit करता है. The logic is like this: every country is depositing its quota, but then जो country को अपना say for example हर एक country crisis में नहीं जाता है, right? एक आध country crisis में जाता है, correct? So what happens here, when one or two countries go into crisis, they will be able to afford to give some more, right? They will be affording to give some more amount from the quota amount paid by other countries. So that is what we say as special drawing right. तो जो extra पैसा आपको मिलता है ना, that is called as special drawing right. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts so far? Now, what is this World Bank? IMF has no other institutions associated, whereas World Bank जो है जब establish हुआ उसको IBRD करके बुलाते थे. When it was established, it was called as IBRD. I'll write it here. IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It would help all the social causes, for all the social causes like poverty alleviation, HIV awareness campaign, constructing of schools in backward areas, rural areas, etc. Right? And then India has also sought a lot of assistance. India has been a founder member of both these institutions, and it has sought a lot of assistance from the World Bank. So now when you see IMF and World Bank, the similarities between IMF and World Bank are they are all owned and directed by the governments. I'll come to World Bank again. Almost every country in the globe is a member of both these institutions. And they are all concerned with economic issues. मतलब कोई शॉर्ट टर्म का फंडिंग करता है IMF, लॉन्ग टर्म का फंडिंग करता है वर्ल्ड बैंक. अभी वर्ल्ड बैंक जो है it gets money from rich countries like UK, US, etc. Capital rich countries by floating bonds, etc. Right? And richer countries subscribe for them. And ये पैसे लेके it is going to circulate to the poorer countries, poorest of the poorest nations बोलते हैं ना, उनको circulate करती है वर्ल्ड बैंक. And it will hold all the joint annual meetings, दोनों headquartered in Washington DC, USA, capital of the United States of America. And they all want all the economies to be broadened, strengthened, etc. And they also share joint task forces, sessions and research efforts. आप दोनों के साइट खोल के देखो जरा, you will know what kind of help they have done, who are the member countries, सारे के सारे details मिल जाएंगे आपको. And now one more thing is about World Bank. I said it was established in 1944 as IBRD. Later on we called it World Bank. It functions through 5 institutions like IBRD, IDA, IFC, MEGA, ICSID. ठीक है? These are the interacting institutions of World Bank. IBRD helps the poorest nations possible. और इनके कैसे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस रहते हैं? लोन्स कुड बी फॉर 30 years, 35 years, 40 years, etc. Those countries which are very, very poor member countries can borrow from them, right? And can take breaks. मतलब holiday मिलता है for first 5 years until we start some productive ventures and start a bit of development or generating some revenue. We will not pay. That much is accepted by IBRD. Are you following? And later on, once you start showing some progress, you may start repaying the loan. That is one thing. Secondly, when I talk about IDA, poorest nation को IBRD लेता है, उससे भी कम क्वालिफिकेशन हो, मतलब उससे भी गरीब नेशन कुछ रहता है ना, तो उसको फंडिंग मिलता है IDA से. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
उससे भी गरीब नेशन रहता है ना, तो उसको मिलता है IDA से फंडिंग, right? Poorest of the poorest nations. See, those who don't qualify for IDA funding can approach IBRD. Are you following? And any nation which wants private, I will write here. Poorest nations, ठीक है? इससे भी गरीब nations को poorest of the poorest nations बोलते हैं. Okay? They can borrow from IDA. इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा concessions etc. like you don't have to pay, very less, low lending rates में World Bank lends you, ठीक है? And in case you don't qualify for IDA, you can try borrowing from IBRD. Those nations that qualify into IDA will qualify into IBRD also. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं कुछ पूछा. Now IFC is for any nation, private sector, right? Any nation which wants to go in for privatization of coffee industries, right? They would need funding. So India has also borrowed when it was going through this LPG era, liberalization, privatization, and globalization. It has also borrowed from the IFC, right? And MIGA, multilateral investment guarantee agency. मतलब they act as an insurance agent, right? Say for example आपको इस country को lend करना है, right? या इस country में invest करना है. How do you know it is safe? So you are getting an insurance cover kind of. They don't fund, but they are going to give you insurance cover. Are you following? That is MIGA. National Council for Settlement Investment Disputes. Right? Again, any kind of arbitration to be made. Arbitration मतलब किसी दो country के बीच में झगड़ा है. Say for example, मैंने terms and conditions अलग बोला और मैंने कुछ और किया. तो again, ICSID is going to settle all my disputes. We member nations can approach the ICSID asking them to settle the dispute. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No. Ma'am means IBRD poorest nation को देता है, like privatization को भी देगा और government के related भी देगा, ऐसा कुछ क्या? IBRD. I'm asking about IRD. IBRD. I'm asking about.
मतलब बहुत गरीब नेशंस को हेल्प करती है. उससे भी गरीब कैटेगरी में आती है ना वो आईडीए में.
Okay.
To be eligible to borrow from these institutions, you need to be a very poor country with low productivity. And for being capable, eligible to borrow from IDA, you should be even poorer than these nations. IBRD से जो qualify हो रहे हैं ना उससे भी गरीब होना चाहिए. समझ में आ रहा है?
Okay. हाँ समझे.
Yeah, ma'am.
That is what? Any doubt so far?
No, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we discuss about BIS?
Okay, ma'am.
All of you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm pausing the screen share.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या क्या याद रखना है? It was established in 1930, right? And it has 63. It is owned by 63 central banking authority, which account for 95% of the GDP. It is going to help nations to foster cooperation in the areas of monetary and financial stability. Again, it will help in research and development. It will help in having negotiations. And then it is going to be, it is based in Basel, Switzerland. समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ, ma'am.
Following all of you? It's resilience. When you are in a crisis, how you bounce back to normalcy. ठीक है? And it needs a sustainable Asia and Pacific nations. Asia Pacific nations बोलते हैं. And it tries to eradicate poverty. Major aim is eradicate poverty, and it has helped in 263 million living on less than $1.9 a day. ठीक है? And again, it has been helping all the nations in poverty alleviation, and it also assists member partners by providing loans, technical assistance, grants, equity, to promote social economic development. ADB maximizes the development impact of assistance by facilitating dialogues, negotiation, talks, etc. on advisory, mobilizing all the financial resources through co-financing. Co-financing matlab jointly financing with another institution. And it helps in commercial and credit export resources. Okay? Again, it's a poverty alleviation, helping all the poor nations which are in need. Following all of you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I will post this also.